Hiccups happen to the best of us. You might think it's just a weird muscle spasm, but it's actually a complex process. When you eat or drink too fast, it irritates your diaphragm, a dome-shaped muscle that helps you breathe. This irritation causes your diaphragm to contract irregularly, leading to that distinctive hiccup sound. Your brain tries to correct the mistake by sending a signal to the diaphragm to relax, but it's too late. The hiccup is already happening, and it's hard to stop once it starts. In some cases, hiccups can be caused by inflammation, stress, or even a medical condition. So the next time you get the hiccups, try slowing down your eating and take a few deep breaths. Follow Curious Facts Media for more fascinating facts.